When you go to the grocery store, which aisle do you head down first? For many of us, we gravitate toward our favorite treats, the food that makes us happiest. From frozen pizzas and desserts to cheese and cold cuts, some items have always had a special place in our hearts, not to mention our freezers and refrigerators. But for all those warm and fuzzy feelings, you've probably never stopped and thought about how your favorite foods stay fresh and readily available. You might be asking yourself, so what? As long as products are kept cold, that's what matters, right? Not quite. Hillphoenix has been leading the industry in natural refrigerants for over 20 years. By using natural refrigerants, Hillphoenix products can reduce greenhouse gas emissions and help reduce global warming. But most importantly, Hillphoenix is investing in the future.
Hillphoenix has over 130 years of experience with retail and industrial refrigeration solutions. Our expertise comes from hands-on, time-tested, practical experience with natural refrigerants that no one else in our industry can offer.
To better understand how Hillphoenix is changing the refrigeration game, let's start with how refrigeration works. It's important to think of cooling as simply a removal of heat from one place and transferring it to another. This entire energy transfer process is referred to as the refrigeration cycle, and it involves the movement of refrigerant through the compressor, the condenser, the evaporator, and the metering device. Historically, commercial refrigeration has relied on synthetic refrigerants. One widely used synthetic refrigerant is Freon. Freon and other similar refrigerants are a part of a class of refrigerants based on hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs. Natural refrigeration adoption is on the rise, and Hillphoenix is leading the way, working with customers, helping them transition to end the use of HFCs. Enter carbon dioxide, or CO2. This gas is the benchmark for environmentally friendly, sustainable refrigeration, against which practically all other refrigerants are measured. It has a global warming potential, or GWP, of 1. Compare that to Freon's GWP, 1,810. Hillphoenix has made a point of upgrading to natural refrigerants, including CO2, propane, and glycol. This switch to natural refrigerants is better for the quality of the environment. Both international agreements and government regulations have led to more environmentally safe synthetic alternatives. Initial but successful solutions have included glycol refrigeration systems. Another solution has come in the form of propane. More grocery store display cases are now using propane. Propane has become especially popular in smaller, standalone display cases.
One of our future-focused sustainability goals includes offering a complete store and facility solution. We have installed over 14,000 CO2 booster systems globally. In the US, we have earned 11 consecutive EPA Green Chill Store Certification Excellence Awards. It's our responsibility to lead the industry by example, and we have been since 1998.
It should be acknowledged that synthetic refrigerants have been in use for a long time, and some users may be hesitant to abandon these methods altogether. However, consider the benefits of natural refrigerants. First, the global warming potential of many natural refrigerants is significantly lower than other synthetic refrigerants. Second, the use of natural refrigerants is a future-focused solution. It lessens the burden of having to comply with existing and emerging regulations that target high GWP refrigerants. Third, they can provide cost savings. For example, CO2 has a reduced startup refrigerant charge and installation costs with smaller line sizes. Also, adiabatic gas coolers and newer technologies save on energy.
More and more of our customers are making purchasing decisions based on environmental initiatives they see expanding around them. By transitioning more of our products to natural or low-charge refrigeration systems and integrating them with energy-efficient display cases, we will help reduce food waste and food loss, improve food safety, and decrease the release of harmful refrigerant emissions into our environment. We believe these complete store and facility solutions are vital to supporting future sustainability goals.
So the next time you buy something from the frozen or refrigerator aisle, remember, Hillphoenix is proud to keep favorite foods fresh and readily available while helping to protect our future.